Welcome back, guys, to the Lighted Sky Space News. Let's get started. I know what's the special news after the intro. So, what's the special news? Blue Origin is back in the news. Blue Origin is all set to launch its first crewed space flight on July 20th of this year. So, it will carry 4 astronauts to the space for 11 minutes and then return back with the landing in the desert. So, what's special about this launch and why July 20th? I know they can select any date in the year, like however they want, but why 20th July? So, the reason is that 20th July was the day on which Apollo 11 landed on the moon 50 years back on that day, 20th July. So, it's kind of a celebration, anniversary celebration. So yeah, I know they landed on moon and we are just launching to space. Whatever it is, but a celebration, right? So yeah, I think that's cool. So the 4 astronauts are one is Jeff Bezos, the founder, and second one is the second guy is Jeff Bezos' brother, and the third person I will come to that, and the fourth person they are going to announce soon who's that guy. So the third person, what's interesting is that they did a online bid today. So that third person gave as much as 200 crores in Indian rupees, which is around 28 million US dollars. 200 crores for just 11 minutes of flight to and from the space. Of course, it will be created as a history, and many few people have went to space. Like there's just around 600 somewhere, I guess. So yeah, someone will want their name in that list. So yeah, that's a great. The 200 crore is still shocking me. So. The good thing is that all the 200 crores will not go to the company. Like the 200 crores will never go to the company. It will go to the Blue Origins Foundation. That foundation is called as Club for Future. So what is this Club for Future? Club for Future was founded by Blue Origin in 2019. It is a foundation like whose mission is to inspire future generations to pursue careers in STEM and to help invent the future of life in space. That's cool, right? So that's a good thing. The club and its collaborators are doing this through postcards to space focused curriculum, and access to space on Blue Origin's rocket. So that's a good point. So all the 200 crores which goes to the company for buying that seat, it will go to this club for the future. So that's a good thing. So yeah, the Apollo 11 anniversary and the money going to the club, so everything's just good. So what about the SpaceX and Virgin Galactic? They are also in the space, right? So SpaceX is going to launch their first crewed, like the commercial crewed mission, that will be in September, and the Virgin Galactic, I think they will be launching this year soon. And so the whole point is that space travel is becoming accessible to. Yeah, I know the first ticket now is around 200 crores. So through future developments and increased interest, I think we might see the space tourism get down to lower like tickets, but till then I think you have to pay in crores. So the news is all good, and this is the beginning of a new private industry. Like now there will be a time when you will decide not to go to Goa but to go to space. That will be an amazing step. So this like events like this are the turning point in the history. Like when you look back in the when you are in the future and you look back on this date. So today no human is going to like space and all coming back, so that's all not frequent. But in future, I think we started the space tourism in 2021. I guess we will see space tourism at its full potential by around in a decade or more, I guess. Let's see future missions. And yeah, SpaceX, there will be a huge competition here, and it's going to be fun. So that's the news, guys. Blue Origin's New Shepard, the launch is on 20th July, so I will be doing live stream for sure. And yes, this is a good news. And yeah, nothing else more. And let's hope on the launch day and see how that day goes on. Thank you for joining the video and watching it. Keep supporting. Please like the video and share it. Please like the video, as I said, because it will say the YouTube algorithm that you guys are liking my video and all. So that's cool. So subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed till now, please consider subscribing. I put up space news each week, and yeah, when there are some news like this, I bring my face videos too. So yeah, I will be doing in future I will be doing more videos on everything. So please stay tuned and subscribe the channel. That will help me, and also you guys will be updated. Yeah, all the best. Have a nice day, and hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.